Now that we have our to-do list component displaying, let's actually look at the to-do list. Let's create a method, const, and let's say refresh. And we're going to call load to-dos. Then we get our to-dos, or better yet, let's just say JSON. Let's say set to-dos to that JSON. Let's set active to-dos. And let's say set completed to-dos. Now we can also fix this as well. Better yet, let's name this something different. To-dos, 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 and call it to-dos. Awesome. Let's do catch. Let's format the document. So we have load to-dos, then okay. Our refresh method, load to-dos, we call then, we get those to-dos, correct. We set these to-dos, and if there's an error, it catches that error and consoles out our error. Let's create another method, a callback, const on refresh, use callback async. Set refreshing to true. We'll do const data equals wait load to-dos. Set to-dos equals the data. Active to-dos completed to-dos, set refreshing to false, and we'll console.log. Let's say our refreshed and refreshing. And let's have a use effect. We'll call refresh, and then on refresh. Awesome. All these methods are used. In the next video, we'll actually start building out the UI. But let's talk about a couple things. So both of these methods do very similar things, but the slight difference is when you're actually doing the refreshing. So for those of you that are very familiar with React, you'll understand the difference between a regular function and a callback. This is just memoized, and it only changes if one of the inputs has changed, which we know is refreshing.